Hi friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today we again started with a new topic, with a new energy within ourselves and eager to learn new thing. Okay, so are you eager to learn new thing today? Okay, so today I'll be talking about one important topic which is very much important in our day-to-day life. Okay, so do you complain in your life? Do you complain? What type of complaint I'm talking about? Okay, I'm talking about those complaints which you generally make with your parents, with your people which you are living with, your maybe your friends, maybe your teachers, okay, maybe your family members, okay, maybe someone whom you are very much close by. Okay, you generally complain that I'm not able to do because these are the reasons. You start giving excuses for yourself. Okay, so is this right for you? Just think in your mind, is this right for you? If you always give on keeping, if you always give excuses for yourself, if you always give excuses like I can't do this because these are the reasons, and you just don't give excuses to them, you give excuses to yourself as well. Am I correct? Yes. So this is very much important to understand that instead of giving excuses, try to make your mind broad by thinking, is there any way out to do those things? I am giving you the important trick which will help your mind to boost. There is some other way of thinking as well, which is called as right way of thinking, which is called as right mindset. So we should have that right mindset in our mind to deliver our best and to become the best version of ourselves. Okay, we can't give best version of ourselves just by giving excuses. Okay, if you give excuses, your mind will accept that. Always think like that. If you give excuses to yourself, you are giving excuses to your mind that I'm not able to do those things. Okay, and your mind will accept it and it will believe it and will stop you from achieving what you daily want in your life, what you actually want in your life. Your mind will stop you from achieving your dreams, your goals, your desires in your life. Is that worth doing that for your life? Because life is only once. Understood? So you have to give the best in your life. So for giving the best in your life, you need to find out your ways, find out the passion which you want to drive through, and you have to monetize your passion. Okay, and then you can start getting revenue for that. Okay, so everything requires that skills, everyone requires that self confidence to deliver and come out from you so that it can make you a better person. Okay, so for that you have to stop giving excuses. If you stop giving excuses, you can able to find out the new ways for yourself, and your mind will think like, what can be the ways so that I can uh, get the required skills? What can be the ways so that I stop giving excuses and I can find the way out? Is there any way out so that I can do those tasks for which I was giving excuses? Okay, so this thing we need to understand. So I will tell you one story which you can relate it in your own life. Okay, so one young man who wanted to become a monk. Okay, there was a young man who wanted to become a monk, so he went to a monastery. Okay, and when he went to the monastery, so there was a strict rules. We have to follow very strict rules when you enter inside a monastery, and especially when someone want to become a monk, you have to maintain something called as strict rules and disciplines in that monastery. Okay, so the main people, those who are just coming, they are very much eager to know what is going on within that. And the strict rules, when they will hear, most of them will go back, most of them will step back by thinking that these hard rules I can't follow. Okay, and few people who resist to stay there and they follow those things, those principles, it will become very much hard at the beginning. Okay, so there are strict rules like for 10 years you can't speak to anybody. These are the rules of monasteries. Okay, if you want to become a monk, for first 10 years you can't speak to anybody. After that, there is a thing like you can speak only two words. Okay, so that person who was very young, for first 10 years he didn't spoke to anybody. Okay, then after 10 years a senior monk asked him, if you want to say anything, then you can tell me. So he told like, bad food. Okay, then after 10 years he again asked, can you tell me that two words which you want to say? So he told like, uh, bad environment, like that. So these negative words and negative emotions were getting out of that person, and which clearly shows that he is complaining, he is giving excuses from where he is living. Okay, he is comparing that where he was before and where he is now, and he is making complaints and he is giving excuses for himself. Okay, so what happened with him? At last he quit. He didn't able to stay as a monk for entire life, and suddenly after 20 years he quit. Okay, why? Because he was complaining that I can't do this because these are the reasons, I can't do this because these are the excuses. So these complaints and excuses stops yourself from getting what you actually deserve in life. It stops you from growing. It stops you to achieve your highest potential in life. Okay, so if you want to achieve something in life, if you want to achieve something big in life, you have to stop giving excuses. Okay, and if and only if you stop giving those excuses for yourself, then you can create opportunities for yourself. Okay, just like I want to give an example that if you want to create your own videos, if you want to create a personal branding for yourself, okay, if you want to create a personal branding for yourself, then you have to build that self confidence to come in front of the camera and speak about yourself, your life tragedies, and what you can give to your people. Okay, these all things, skills needs to be developed in a span of time. It can't happen quickly. It takes time. Okay, you need to work on your communication skills. You need to work on how it will look like to come in front of people. You don't feel shy. Okay, so these things you need to eradicate. I told you, good habits need to be inculcated and bad habits need to be eradicated. And it takes time, friends. It doesn't happen within a day or two. It takes time to inculcate those good habits and to implement it. So start taking action. Who is stopping you? Become an unstoppable. Start taking action and start implementing it. Because if you just hear it from somewhere, if you just read books, nothing will happen. The main thing which will happen only if you start implementing. Without implementing, without taking action, you will not reach anywhere. Okay, so if you want to be successful in life, if you want to grow in life, then stop giving excuses, stop complaining, and start taking action quickly, because time is very much less and we are having only one life and we have to do a lot of things in this one life. Okay, so we need to give our best. For that, we need to increase our skills. We need to see who all our competitors are and we need to match skills with them, and we need to grow. Okay, we need to be surrounded by those people whom we want to see ourselves, where we want to see ourselves. We want to be surrounded with those people only. Okay, so these are the things. The moral of today's video was, we should not complain, should not give excuses. Rather, we should find a way out where we should improve on our skills so that I can reach our goal, that too before time. So thank you, friends, for listening me patiently. I will bring this type of videos again and again so that I can give you something which will charge you up to do something bigger in life. Thank you, friends.